أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum. I am Bilquees, teacher posted at Boys Middle School Langate. Today we will continue our previous topic, that was fiber to fabric for class 7th. As we discussed in the previous topic that two types of fibers we get from sheep, that is the coarse beard hair and the fine soft under hair which is close to their skin, and for this purpose the selective breeding is done. There's a parent from this family is chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft under hair. There are many animals from which the wool is obtained. As you know, the sheep is common, but the goat, we can get wool from the goat also, and the camel. In some regions of the world the camel fur is also used as wool. Though there are some goats as yak wool, that's also common, that's used, that's found in the Tibet and the Ladakh regions, upper regions, and Angora goat, that's also found in the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir. Besides this, there are some other goats. One is common among them, that's Pashmina goat, from which we get the Pashmina wool, which is used for woven the Pashmina shawls, the most famous shawls of the Kashmir. That's made from the wool which is obtained from these Pashmina goats. And some other are Swiss alpine goats, Badal goats. These are some other, and besides this there are some other goats that is found in the various regions of Jammu and Kashmir. That's the form of breeds of sheeps, that's Gadi, She, Bakarwal, Punchi, Karnai, Gurezi, etc. etc. These are also the sheep from which the wool is obtained. In some regions of South America, camel fur is also used. The llama and the alpaca is the camel whose fur is also used as wool. Now we'll turn into our topic, that's how the wool is obtained, how fiber is obtained, or how wool is obtained from these fibers. So wool is obtained from the fibers. It's a long process. We get wool, the hair from the healthy goats which rears provide. They take them to the pastures, fed them on pulses, and in winters they are kept inside, and they are given the dry leaves, dry grass, and from this they get the hair on their body. A thick coat of hair develops on their body, and the first thing which is done is to shave off this hair from these animals. As the shaving is done in us, as we, our fathers, our brothers, our sons, they shave off their hair, shave off their beard in the barber shops. Same is the case with these sheep or goat. Shaving is done, either it is done with the machine. But usually shaving is done in those days when the climate is okay, climate is hot, because the animals, they need, they don't need the protective layer during this weather. During winter this can't be done, because during winter the weather is cold, and the animals cannot protect themselves from that cold. That's why it is usually done in hot weather. So the shaving is done. After shaving is done, it is then sent to another section where this shaved hair, the shearing of hair, is washed thoroughly. It's washed to remove all the dirt present in this hair, all the material, the dirt, the dust, whatever it is, that is washed off during the second process, that is known as scoring. It is either, it was in the previous days it was done by hands. Now it's done by the machines. And in the third step is the sorting, where sort to put the different types of hairs, they are separated, the different textures, the hairs are separated. That's the third step, that's known as sorting. Okay, then the small fluffy fibers which are with these hairs, the burrs, they are picked from these hairs. They are the same fibers. These are again and again cleaned and are dried. And now it's the wool which is ready to drawn into fibers. Now the next process is dyeing. These fibers are dyed. Dyed means to color them. Color them. Various color, in various colors. As we know that the sheeps, or they have the only three natural colors, that's the white, brown, or black. So in order to make different colors, these are colored, and then after coloring, these fibers are straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn, and the longer hairs are kept for making sweaters, and the shorter ones are spun and woven into woolen clothes. They are used for woven the woolen clothes. Okay, these are the steps which are used for in the processing of this fibers.